As the iPhone photography function becomes more and more powerful, more and more people shoot videos through the iPhone and use it as editing material. But when you run out of iPhone storage space, or need to transfer video shot on iPhone to computer for editing, don't worry. In this video, I will show you 3 effective ways to transfer videos from iPhone to computer without using iTunes. The first and easiest way is to use AnyTrans, an all-in-one tool for seamless data transfer. It supports transferring more than 100 gigabytes of data, including photos, videos, movies, music in just 20 minutes. No video is damaged and the original resolution is preserved. Free download and launch AnyTrans. Connect your iPhone using the USB cable. Select Device Manager mode. Navigate to Photos, Photo Video. Select the videos you want to transfer and click to PC. You can adjust the export format for videos, photos, and audio and select the destination folder. Wait for the process to complete. Now your video is transferred to PC. Secondly, transferring videos via DCIM folders is simple and straightforward, but only works with videos from the camera roll. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open File Explorer. Find the Apple iPhone icon. Open internal storage and navigate to the DCIM folder. Find the folder containing your videos and copy them to the folder on your computer. Method 3. Transfer video to PC via iCloud. Go to your iPhone settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then select iCloud. Tap Show All to view data categories. Select the videos or data you want to back up. Choose iCloud Backup and tap Backup now to upload data to iCloud. Visit iCloud.com on your PC and log in with your Apple ID. Locate the photo, choose videos, and download them to your computer. While this method is straightforward, it's slower and depends on your internet speed. That's it. We've covered 3 ways to transfer videos from your iPhone to your PC with ease. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.